Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. As you know, football season is upon us. I'm wearing my Cal Poly shirt, Go Mustangs. So I thought it'd be fun to make an appetizer for when you have people over to watch the game, or even if you're just watching it by yourself. So I'm going to be making loaded potato skins. I got this recipe from Forks Over Knives website. I've made my own tweaks. All the amounts will be, for all the ingredients will be in the description box. So let me show you what I've got going over here. So I've got 3.5 russet potatoes. You can use up to 6. You'd have to double the recipe, but it's just going to be 3 I'm going to be using. So we're going to cut these in half, and we're going to scoop all the insides into this bowl. And where's my sharp knife? Over here. Alrighty. So I know you guys have probably done something similar to this. So these, I just bake these like you would normally bake baked potatoes. Super simple. And the reason why I'm using that half that I had is that then I'll have more filling, because I like my potato skins pretty well stuffed. So I'm just going to use a spoon, and I'm going to spoon all this out and put that in a bowl, and then I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'll be adding to that. So what you end up with is this cool little shell, a perfect vehicle for all your goodies that you're going to put in here. And I just go down the middle and scrape them out. And the reason why I like to use russets is the skins are a little bit thicker, so they hold up better. So I've got all my insides of the potatoes in here. And what I'm going to add to this first is I'm going to add some minced garlic. Okay. I've got juice of half a lemon. I've got about 1/2 cup of plant-based milk. I'm not going to use it all. I'm going to use just 1/4 of it just to see. I might not need the whole half. And then I'm going to add a little bit of nutritional yeast. And then we want a tablespoon of mustard, and I'm using stone ground mustard. And this is my favorite brand. It's Westbury, and it's organic, and it's just low sodium. I like it. So that's gonna go in there. Get all that in there. My hands are clean. All right, then we will mash these up. So I ended up adding all the milk in. Came out perfect. Now I'm going to use 1 cup of chickpeas, which are rinsed and drained. You're going to throw that in. And you're just going to rough mash this. They don't have to be completely smooth. You want some chunks in there. So now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So I've got about 1/2 cup or so of chopped spinach, finely chopped. I've got some sun-dried tomatoes, some capers. I've got some green onions, the white and the green part, some shallots. And then we're just going to mix this together. We don't want to mash these because we want the capers and everything to stay whole. And then we're going to add a little salt and pepper. And then we just take our little shells and we fill them up. Super easy. So I'm just going to continue filling these up. So as you can see, they are loaded. So I'm going to put these in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20-25 minutes till they're nice and golden and a little crispy on the top. So while the potatoes are baking, we're going to make a quick little tahini sauce. So what I have in this bowl is 2 tablespoons of tahini. Then I'm going to use the juice of 2 limes. Be a nice little tangy dressing for our potatoes. Okay, we'll just whisk this together. And add a little bit of water to kind of thin it out. Alrighty, then we're going to cut up some green onion. You can use chives. I'm just going to use the green part just for a little garnish. Make it look pretty. Alright, I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to drizzle on a little bit more of the tahini on this one, the one I'm going to be eating. Super excited about this. You don't have to use a knife or fork, but for camera. Oh boy. Give me a second. Okay. That is a party in your mouth. I mean, that tahini dressing just wakes everything up. And I can taste the sun-dried tomatoes, the chickpeas, the caper. Oh, it's so good. Your guests are gonna love it. I mean, I would definitely double the recipe, maybe even triple it, because these are gonna go like crazy. So be sure to give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.